verse from the Holy Bible. Piling of more wealth has kept you heedless till you saw your grave. My dear Islamic brothers, if we look at this incident carefully, and we put ourselves in the same instant, then we can see how much it has affected us. The Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is reported to have said that the mother of all evil is the love of this world. Allah Azza wa Jal tried to save us from this. In Surah Fatir verse 5, translation from Kanzul Iman, Allah Azza wa Jal says to us, O mankind, surely the promise of Allah Azza wa Jal is true. Therefore not the life of this world deceive you, and let not the eye deceive or deceive you in respect of Allah Azza wa Jal. In a hadith of the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are told that the world is like raw meat, dead flesh, and those who run for it and try to achieve it are like dogs. Today, my dearest brothers, we all have thoughts and goals in our minds. Some of us want to become rich. Some of us want to have a big house. Some of us want to have a flashy car. Although there is nothing wrong with this, but the problem occurs when we become negligent, when we stop thinking about the hereafter, when we start going far away from the fathers of the Quran and the Sunnah. Then is when we become indulged in the love of the dunya. Then we will go to any extent to get this wealth. Even if it is haram, we don't care.